Slavoj, today, you wanted to talk about why philosophy is more important in our daily lives now than ever.
Because I think that the crisis we are approaching, not even approaching, in which we are now, is not just the crisis of empirical phenomena like global warming, will there be war, immigrants, whatever. But it's what? I remember Christa Wolf, she died now, an East German writer, a half-dissident. Her most famous novel is Geteilte Himmel, The Divided Heaven, where a hero in her novel has a debate with a West German person, and the West German person says, okay, we have our conflicts, but still we are under the same heaven, you know. And the narrator says on her behalf, no, even the heaven is divided. Like, we don't even share the terms of the debate. Not just in this superficial sense, like you talk about ecology and different people will give you, this is elementary, will give you a totally different view of ecology. Like, again, for some people, radical pessimists, it's humanity as such, which is responsible. For some people, it's capitalism, this profiteering, the logic of self-reproduction, increasing value, which a priori ignores the consequences for environment. Then you have simple socialists or even state ecologists, and I'm getting closer and closer to them almost, who say it's too easy to claim let the market take care of it. Just raise the taxes on those products which hurt the environment. I think that there will be catastrophes or different. We will have it with different situations. We will have to act much faster. So I'm saying that the problems that we are encountering today, they more and more demand of us, even if we ignore this dimension, to act like philosophers, you know.